What's up? Blake, Modology Motorsports. I'm sleepy. My goal today was to get up at 8 o'clock, which didn't work out because it's like a little after 10 o'clock now. My alarm was set, but I didn't wake up. But today, I'm working on the wife's car. I got a whole box full of stuff I need to put into it, so we'll try that today. Like some of the stuff, like the transmission stuff, I never bought the transmission fluid. It's my fault, but it was like 60 bucks for a gallon. So there's some other stuff that needs like replacement faster, like the motor mounts and stuff. So maybe we'll try that today. But I need some liquid energy first, so we're going to the store to get some wake up juice.
Win a statue or not, we always talk about how the nominees at Sunday's Oscars never leave empty-handed. Actors and directors will get dozens of
Okay, so I'm full of energy drink now. I'm ready to party. And I guess let me show you everything I've got for this car, because this is a bunch of stuff. Alright, this is the majority of it. There's still some stuff inside. But all this came from Rock Auto. Got an air filter, fuel filter, all these three are motor mounts, new plugs, and the shocks for the hatch on the back. This is a pain in the butt, like trying to hold the hatch open to put something heavy in the trunk and keep it from crushing you at the same time. So I'm gonna get as much done of this today as I can, and we'll see how it goes. In the middle of taking the car apart, my new mic adapter showed up. So I get to try the microphone on the video for the motor mounts. But look at that. I'd say that is shot. And this one on this side doesn't look much better. It's alright. We try the mic out, see if it works. Okay, got the first motor mount changed. Got the new one in there that's still got all the rubber with it. You can save yourself a whole lot of time by not being an idiot and actually blocking the transmission to keep it from falling while you're hooking this stuff up, because I didn't think I needed to. As soon as I put a block under it and let the car down on top of it with a jack, it came right out. So don't cut corners like I did. We have to do it twice. Okay, we're about to fire it up for the first time and see if it's still vibrating real bad. No, it's like a completely different car now. You can barely even hear it running. Wow, normally the whole dash and everything in here was shaking. Where the mounts are bad. That's crazy. That's so much better. Alright, so just put air in the tires, so I'm going to end the video here. A long day. I'm tired. The mount on the bottom was the worst to change. The top ones weren't so bad, but the bottom one, whew. We got air in her tires now, so she's ready to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.